Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Log. So today in this video I'll show you how to create a Oculus account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded Meta Horizon because you need to create your account on Meta Horizon. Once you open it, it will show you this kind of interface. Here it will give you options to continue as your Facebook ID or continue as your Instagram ID. Now scroll down and you will see continue with email. For now, let's say I want to continue with my Facebook ID. So click on continue as your Facebook ID name. Now here tap on continue button. Next, select your ID and tap on next. Here, create your account. Click on it. Now click on next button. Here enter your name and enter your username. Next, click on next button. So you have successfully created your Oculus account with your Facebook. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.